Are you a homeowner ready to unleash the selling power of your humble abode? Well, buckle up because I'm about to spill the beans on the 5 secret, absolutely must-do things to skyrocket your home's value and attract those so tempting top dollar offers. I'm not just any real estate enthusiast, my friend. I am Windy Goss, the real estate boss with eXp Realty, and let me tell you, I've been slaying the game of getting sellers top dollar for their home in Las Vegas and Henderson for almost 2 decades. Now, let's dive into the magic formula that'll make buyers drool over your home and beg you to take their money. Number 1, we're talking clean and declutter. No, I don't mean just tidying up a bit. I mean taking a deep clean extravaganza, like polish every nook and cranny, say goodbye to old clutter like it's a bad ex, and create space that is so spacious and inviting buyers won't be able to resist. Next, it's time to channel your inner handyman or handywoman and tackle those necessary repairs. We're not talking about breaking the bank here, just a few low-cost fixes to spruce things up a bit. Fix those leaky faucets, patch those holes in the wall like a pro, show that grout who's boss. Pro tip, consider getting a home inspection up front to uncover any hidden gems that need attention. Oh, but hold on, we are not done yet. It's time to boost that curb appeal and make jaws drop from the moment the buyer lays their eyes on your home. Trim those unruly bushes like you're giving them a fancy haircut, lay down some bark or rock to make your grounds pop, power wash that driveway so it's so bright it's brighter than the sun, and paint your front door and fascia board. So boom, your home just went from meh to, oh my God, I need to buy this house right now. Now, picture this. Your home transformed into a stunning stage where potential buyers can see themselves living their best lives ever. Yep, that's right. It's time to stage like a boss. Rearrange that furniture to create the perfect flow and those decorative touches that scream classy and create a cohesive look throughout your home. Trust me, buyers won't know what to hit them. Finally, my friends, we come to the grand finale, pricing it right. In today's competitive market, you gotta play the game strategically, or you'll be left with a sale listing that's about as exciting as a limp sandwich. That is why you need an experienced real estate professional like myself to show you all the juicy market data and the sold comparables in your neighborhood. We'll strategize like there's no tomorrow, guiding you every step of the way to make sure that you get the most bang for your home investment buck. Thanks a million for watching my Seller Tips video series. I am thrilled about the possibility of working with you. So get in touch with me and my unstoppable team today. Together, we'll make selling your home a breeze. Until next time, my friends, stay fabulous. I'm Windy Goss, and I would love to be your real estate boss.